Prepare the following tools first. Use an Allen key to unscrew the power interface cover of the snowblower module, as well as the screws around the warning label. Remove the rubber waterproof cover. Unscrew the fixing screws below and take off the power interface cover. Unscrew the metal part screws above the wire rope fixing wheel. Remove the metal part, then remove the limit metal piece and the wire rope fixing component. Use one hand to press down the deflector to release the tension, and remove the screw safely with the other hand. Middle and bottom of the wire rope to remove it. Then take out the rubber waterproof cover. Use a new wire rope. Make sure the starting point is facing downward. Place the fixing component into the groove of the fixing wheel. Insert the metal piece and tighten the screws. Clip the wire rope into the fixing wheel. Tighten the fixing nut. Then gently pull the other end of the wire rope to ensure it fits smoothly into the groove. Align it with the limiter and install it. Pass the wire rope through the power interface protective casing and tighten the screws. Make sure install all the washers back. Pass the wire rope through the rubber waterproof cover and secure the rubber waterproof cover onto the power interface protective casing. Install the fixing component in the middle of the wire rope. Gently press the upper part of the deflector and tighten the upper screws. There will be a slight gap after tightening. Please do not worry, as it is designed to ensure the wire rope moves properly.